The roaring torrent hit before dawn, a merciless thief stealing everything in its path, leaving me clinging to a fragment of my past. Alone in the aftermath, the weight of loss threatened to drown me, but I refused to sink. With each stroke against the current, I discovered a resilience I never knew existed. The village rallied around me, offering hands of help and hearts of hope, reminding me that true wealth lies in the connections we forge. As I rebuilt my life from the debris, brick by brick, I found strength in vulnerability and courage in community. This flood taught me that when life washes away the familiar, it clears the path for growth, teaching us to embrace change and rise stronger. In the end, it wasn't just about surviving the storm, it was about learning to dance in the rain, finding beauty in the chaos, and understanding that the greatest loss can lead to the most profound beginnings.